Guys, I'm in my laundry room. My husband has been helping me with laundry because we're kind of behind. We've been super slammed. Holy God, look at how much of a mess I look right now. Oh well, whatever. This is me raw, guys. So, I went to put a load in the laundry and there's already the beginning of a laundry batch in there, but I have to separate it because he just threw all the colors in there all at one time. Justin, I keep telling you these things. I need to show you what was in the laundry. I don't understand this. But why? Why is there a Kleenex box in the laundry? I have no idea. I don't understand. Why?